Today, I'm going to be trying a different learning resource. I have previously tried Duolingo, and today I'm trying a website or an app called Memrise. The mobile application is available, but I'm going to be trying the website version. It seems that you can learn quite a big range of languages on this website, and I'm going to be trying Japanese as a native speaker of Japanese. I'll be trying the advanced option, and apparently I have to sign up, so I'll be back.
よろしくお願いします。
よろしくお願いします。
So that's the female version.
よろしくお願いします。
I have no idea how this application works, so let's see what this does. Help me remember this. Mempty. There are no mems here to help you learn. Be the first to create one. I won't be doing that. More. Japanese, English, literal translation, furigana. Well wish to masu. Yeah, that sounds pretty accurate. Pleasure to meet you. Please take care of this. Ignore this word. What is this? Oh. Okay, so I have to pay extra. Let's go next.
お疲れ様です。
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 Oh, effort. Mr. Ms. is. Okay. And help me remember this. Again, there are no mems. Let's try this option. Let's say yes. Okay. Pleasure to meet you. Please take care of this. Okay, so the clock is ticking. よろしくお願いします。
よろしくお願いします。
And I got 45 points for that. So I need to pick the audio that uses the text above. Pleasure to meet you.
話します。
Hanashimasu. That means I speak.
言います。
I say.
よろしくお願いします。
Yeah, this is the answer.
よろしくお願いします。
行ってきます。
Ittekimasu. So that's when you're leaving your house. I'm go tekamasu. Yeah, okay. Help me remember this. Okay. Pleasure to meet you. Please take care of this. Type the Japanese for the English above and press enter. Yo no shiku onegai shimasu. Oops. Shimasu.
よろしくお願いします。
Pick the correct one. Bye. 行ってきます。
行ってきます。
What were the other options? Bye. 行ってきます。
持って行きます。
持ってきます。I bring.
について聞きます。
I ask about.
行ってきます。
That's the correct answer.
行ってきます。
5 in a row. Bye. 行ってきます。行ってきます。
行ってきます。
Session complete. Correct answers 6 out of 6, I assume. Speed 4 minutes and 45 seconds, and I didn't get any points for that. Accuracy 100%, so I got 390 points. Next, Japanese 4. Set a daily goal. Hit your goal every day to win bonuses. I can only do 5 minutes a day. You're super busy. This goal will help you find time in your life to learn. Okay. A lot of people seem to be very enthusiastic. Levels, greet like locals. What just happened? Also, this is the vocab list for each lesson or level. These all seem to be quite reasonable. So let's try level 3. It's all in the past. Learn these words.
昨日の夜は何をしましたか？
What did you do last night? Yesterday no night wa what or do mashita? Is this even helpful? Let me know. Help me remember this. Again, there are no mems. Let's go next. 手伝い
手伝い。
help. What did you do last night? どうやって鼻を骨折しましたか？
昨日の夜は何をしましたか？
help. 売り二つ。皆様。
手伝い。
And that's not even the correct kanji.
私は父の手伝いをしました。
me は father の help を do ました。Okay.
私は土曜日にカラオケに行きました。
I went to karaoke on Saturday. me は Saturday にカラオケにgo ました。Down south, what? Spitting image. So that must be うり二つ。
手伝い
I helped my dad. 薬は飲まなくてもいいです。
私は父の手伝いをしました。
I went to karaoke on Saturday.
私は土曜日にカラオケに行きました。私たちはおとといタクシーに乗りました。
We were day before yesterday taxi にboard にました。Help. No. 手伝い。
手伝い。
I helped my dad.
私は父の手伝いをしま
Yeah,
した。
that's the correct answer. But let's see the other options.
薬は飲まなくてもいいです。
You don't have to take the medication.
私は現金を持っていません。
I don't have any cash.
私は父の手伝い
Shut up.
私は
Shut up.
父の手伝いをしました。
Shut up. We took a taxi the day before yesterday. All the other options are really short, so it wouldn't make sense. I went to karaoke on Saturday.
私は土曜日にカラオケに行きました。
Yeah, that's the correct answer.
どうしてヨーロッパに行きましたか？
Why did you go to Europe?
祖父母は若い時、アフリカに行きました。
My grandparents went to Africa when they were young. The other options are not even remotely close to the original sentence.
私は
Hi.
土曜日に
Okay.
カラオケに行きました。
What did you do last night?
あなたの健康の話をしましょうか。
Let's talk about your health. Okay.
昨日の夜は何をしましたか？
Yeah, that's the correct answer.
昨日の夜は何をしましたか？
私たちはおとといタクシーに乗りました。
私たちはおととい
What did you do last night? What did you do? 昨日何を Oops. 昨日の夜何をしましたか？
昨日の夜は何をし
What
まし
was
たか？
wrong? Oh, okay. I think I omitted wa, but wa is not really necessary in casual speech, but I guess they're really strict. I went to karaoke on Saturday.
私は土曜日にカラオケに行きました。
手伝い help.
手伝い
What did you do last night? 昨日の夜何をしましたか？ What's the difference?
昨日の夜
Oh,
は
okay.
何をしましたか？
So there were
昨日
two
の夜
correct
は何をし
Shut
ま
up.
したか？
What did you do last night? What did you do last night? So again, there are two correct answers.
昨日の夜は何をしましたか？
We took a taxi the day before yesterday. I mean, all the other options are not even sentences.
私たちはおとといタクシーに乗りました。
私は土曜日にカラオケに行きました。Yeah.
私は土曜日にカラオケ
I helped my dad. 私は父の手伝いをしました。
私は父の手伝いをしました。
Help 手
手
伝い。
伝い
What did you do last night? 昨日の夜何しましたか？ So again, there are two correct answers.
昨日の夜は何をしました。
I went to karaoke on Saturday. 私は土曜日にカラオケに行きました。
私は土曜日にカラオケに
私は父の手伝いをしました。I helped my dad. I loved him. Okay.
私
たちはおとといタクシーに乗りました。
Okay, again, these are not sentences.
私たちはおとといタクシーに乗り
I helped my dad.
私は父の手伝いをしました。
I went to karaoke on Saturday.
私は土曜日に
Help 手伝い。
手伝い
We took a taxi the day before yesterday. Okay.
私たちは
私たち。Oh. So that was from the previous question. 私は父の手伝いをしました。
私は父の手伝いを
We
し
took a taxi the day before yesterday.
私たちはおとといタクシーに
What did you do last night? 昨日の夜 and I need to remember to add は何をしましたか
昨日の夜は何をしましたか
Yay! I reached level 4 and claim your reward now. I don't think so. So I want to try the highest level. Levels. Level 13 is the highest level, it seems. Close friends. All the vocabulary items seem pretty simple. Learn these words.
食べない
食べない Eat not eat.
行かない
行かない食べない
食べない
Not to go 行かない希望を捨てないでください OK
見た
見た OK Past tense 読んだ
読んだ
見た
I don't like the fact that the audio is played after I click the next question. Oops, I wasn't thinking. うん行かない Not to go
行かない
Watched
たがっています
Want
見た
見た Yeah, that's the correct answer.
多分そうだと思います
Okay.
見た
Why do you have to repeat it? 読んだ Dimple Session complete. So I got 97% accuracy. More learning words, classic review, speed review, difficult words, listening skills, learn with locals, chatbots, grammar bot. These options are not available to me at the moment. Okay, they are Japanese 5, Japanese 7, JLPT N5, Genki 1, JLPT N2 vocab. And it looks like these are created by different users, so users can contribute. I'm a bit curious about this one. Vocabulary for JLPT 1.2, is it? Let's have a look. All words required for JLPT level 2 and 1. Okay, this one was created by someone called Usako. And there are... wow, so many levels. 650 levels. Let's try the most difficult one then. Let's have a look. There's obviously no audio because this was created by a user. Attributes, what is this? What does this mean? Help me remember. We iru a party. I don't know what that means. Hairu. I think it's more natural to say hairu. Skip. Cancel. Next. Do I have to create a mem? Cancel. Nasu. A lot of different definitions. To get in. Hairu. To do, I guess it's nasu because I've only seen 2 verbs so far. Shinnu, penetration, okay. Sakujo, that reminded me of Death Note. Elimination. Penetration, shinnu, nasu, to do. Elimination, sakujo, to do, nasu. Shinnu, penetration. Hikizuru, to drag along. Okay. Okay, that was quite repetitive, but repetition is really good for learning. So I got 100% accuracy. How about listening skills? Okay, I need to pay for that as well. Classic review. Oh, okay, I don't want to do that. No. What? How do I leave? Save and exit. So what I have to say about Memrise is that it seems like a good resource for early beginners. This is probably not for advanced learners. I can't exclude that possibility, but I guess that depends on what other users have created on this website or app. The community on this website or app seems to be quite active as far as I can tell, so there's a good chance that you might be able to find a good original content created by users, even if you are an advanced learner. And of course, because I am a native speaker, everything seemed quite repetitive, but as I said, repetition is necessary for memorization, so I'm sure it works very well for people who haven't memorized all these words. I might even use this app for learning other languages that I want to learn, so I'll give it a try in my personal time.